Welcome to Stride University. Today we are going to have just a quick introduction to the events module, get you introduced to that, and show you just kind of how to navigate through there and understand what some of the different buttons do and what you can do within the events module. So from your back office here, we are going to just click on this red events module, and that'll bring us into our dashboard. Now, the first thing you'll notice is we've got some different stages. You can think of this as like a project management Kanban for your events. So if you're going to come in and create a new one, you'll add it in this, and then if you, depending on how you want to manage your events, you can change these. Each one of these you can edit this and rename it. If you hover over, you can see there's some tooltips there, like, hey, this means that the location has been reserved, this event has been publicly announced, so on and so forth. And these are all configurable. You can actually add some as well. If you come up here to configuration and event stages, you can add some. We'll go over that in a separate video, but that's possible as well. And then within here, you can also look at your reporting, and you can look at reporting by attendees or by the revenue created. It defaults to kind of a graphical view, but if you want like more of a traditional pivot Excel view, you can see the revenue that you've created through your events. You can take a look at your attendees, and if you just want a list, you can get a list view of those as well. So there's lots of different things that you can do that way. You can create some categories for your different kinds of events, and they show up on your website in this area, so people can filter by activity, the type, the age, and this is where you can add those in. So you can create a new category and then the tags that go along with it, or you can add tags to a different category. So all different ways to kind of get you into the events and help organize that. So when you go ahead, and we'll have a video where we go through the creation of an event. You'll do your creation actually here, and this will kind of take you into the card where you can put all your details in. And then if you want to look at the actual website, what people see, you'll do that in the web editing. And we have a video on how to come in here and do some web editing and change the picture and background and all of that stuff. But it's super similar. If you've gone through our web editor training, that's how you're gonna kind of change how it looks on the website. So through the events tab, the product or event card, you'll go ahead and add in the details, and then on the website side is where you actually make it look pretty and do some of your styling, and you can add additional information here as well. So that's just a quick introduction into the events module. Use it. We encourage you. You can make all sorts of events. You make grouped events where they sign up once and they get added to a complete list of classes. You can do one-off events, free events, multi-day events, and a lot of fun things there. So dive into it, dive into the trainings, and as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.